trying to find a way to make money online and also rank your videos here on YouTube? If so, stay with me. I've got something really interesting to tell you about in my review of Avlanche traffic. Before we get to that, my name is Eric Hammer. I am known as the man with the hat. And that's because I wear a fedora, well, pretty much everywhere that I go. I am one of the few people who can pull off successfully. Well, me and my buddy Neil over here. Now, if you are new to the channel, by the way, if you are new, feel free to skip ahead. It's perfectly fine. I don't mind. You don't have to listen to all my jokes. But if you are new to the channel, what I do here is two things. I review software and products to make money online niche to make sure that you don't end up buying a bunch of crap.
What a load of crappy crap.
Right, boy.
Bart, 2 times in 1 day? Come on, give it a break. He does it all the time. He's annoying as heck. Anyway, the way things work here, if I like a product, I will give a tip. My answer to the product for you. If I don't, well, better luck next time. Now, I also do a lot of videos here involving mindset and entrepreneurship.
Yes, he's an entrepreneur. He's very successful.
Thanks, Liz. See, since the lockdown happened, we've been watching 30 Rock. I love Liz. She's a great person. Anyway, if you are new to the channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button. Hit the bell icon so you may be notified when I drop new videos. If frankly, subscribe doesn't mean much on YouTube anymore. Go ahead and like this video. Comment down below. Let's get right into this. The sales page for Avlanche traffic from my friend Bobby Dolce. No, relax. It's not an avalanche. It's an avalanche of traffic. It's a different thing. Anyway, but seriously. So this is the sales page. You can see some of Bobby's numbers over here. Now, I'm not a big fan of this. He's showing you, this is actually local video jackpot. This is actually one of my products that I have launched together with Bobby. But he's showing you basically year-to-date traffic that he's gotten from various products. And these are actually older products. So he hasn't been mailing for these lately. He's been getting a lot of free traffic off of these things. You can see the conversion rates are not super high because of the fact that it's been free traffic. But free traffic is free traffic. That's, there's nothing to sneeze at with free traffic and making some extra money from it. But let's go ahead and take a look over here. You can see here, this is his number of visitors that he's actually gotten using this method of driving traffic to his YouTube channel. I'm going to show you the members area in just a minute. Before we get to that, I do want to tell you about my custom bonus because I got a really, really special custom bonus for you. I think you're really going to love it. Basically, what I'm going to do for this is all about driving free traffic. And so in the spirit of driving free traffic, what I'm going to do is I'm going to automate a lot of that for you. You send me the URL of whatever video you want to rank in YouTube. And I'm going to do an SEO campaign where basically I'm going to blast out hundreds of links for you in order to drive traffic back to your video automatically. You get it for free. I usually charge $25 for this service. It's a really nice service. I charge $25. You get it for free when you pick up Avlanche traffic from me for $12.95. Let's go ahead and take a look at the members area real quick and see exactly what's included and whether or not I'm going to give a tip my hands to the product creator or not. Okay, so this is the members area for Avlanche traffic. You can see over here. It's basically just a video course. There's nothing super duper exciting. But what I really liked about this thing, what I found interesting, is I actually did a course called Tube Dominator a while back. When I first launched Local Video Jackpot together with Bobby, we did a high-ticket coaching program called Tube Dominator afterwards. And we kind of covered two different things. It was basically a mishmash of different things that I know about. First of all, how to drive traffic to your YouTube channel, which Bobby has taken to a further level. We're going to talk about that in just a minute. The other thing was basically how to create websites, and what I was doing at the time to make a living online was basically driving traffic to my YouTube channel and doing websites. Today I do affiliate marketing mostly, which is what Bobby does as well. Anyway, so you can see here he's got a pretty comprehensive course. He's going to show you how to do things. He's going to show you, for example, how to do editing using Screencast-O-Matic. I don't like Screencast-O-Matic. I personally am a big fan of DaVinci Resolve. It is more complicated to use, but I happen to like it. I'm also going to give you my training on how to use DaVinci Resolve as part of my custom bonus because I think it's a much more comprehensive program, but it is more complicated. I admit that 100%. The other thing to take a look at over here, which I really liked a lot, is basically what he's doing is like this. He's setting up traffic using social media, and that's how he's really driving a lot of his traffic. Which obviously that does work. You can put it up on your Facebook page, but it's a real pain in the neck. What he's going to show you is how to use software to automate the entire process, so you really get everything going all at one time, and that's really what this is all about. That's what really makes this thing tick, and what makes it super special is the fact that he's going to show you how to do all this social media stuff. It's really, really quite involved. My buddy Mark also is going to do some of the training here as well, but it's mostly Bobby showing you, and it kind of like goes back and forth between the two of them. But basically, he's going to show you a very, very detailed thing, exactly how this works. Mark's going to show you a case study where he actually implemented Bobby's ideas and really made it pop for himself. And he's going to give you the whole explanation of what SEO is and why it can be so incredibly powerful. As I said, you do get that free bonus SEO campaign from me. If you pick up any upgrade, you get another one. And if you want more than one upgrade, more than two, just pick up another upgrade. You get one for each of the upgrades that you pick up. So let's go ahead and see if I can give the tip my hat to the product creator or not.
The giant hat said.
I was impressed. I got to say, I thought I knew almost every trick in the book for driving traffic on YouTube, and Bobby showed me some new tricks that I didn't know about. For the $12 that's going to cost you, well worth the money, especially going to get my DaVinci Resolve training. You're also going to get a free SEO campaign to whatever video you want to rank for. So definitely worth picking up for $12. Go ahead and grab it. I have absolutely no reservations in saying you're absolutely going to love this thing.